Hey guys, in this video we are going to be swapping out this rear derailleur, and so I've got an older gen Shimano here. Ironically, I've been having some issues with the newer gen one, so I'm going to be putting in this guy and see if that resolves some of the problems we're having. Basically, the steps to do this process are going to be undoing the rear derailleur cable, and before you do that, you're going to want to put it into the lowest or smallest cog back there. That completely relieves the tension in this line. And then also, you're going to be breaking this chain, and once the chain is broken, then you can undo this 5mm Allen key, and this is the rear derailleur hanger, and then this part right here, this bolt, will be what screws into that. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and then it's going to be a matter of indexing the new one, so making sure we adjust the tension correctly with this barrel adjuster. And then there's also some limit screws to adjust that we're going to be doing on this guy once I install it. So on these, so that's the barrel adjuster. This is the high limit screw, and that's the low limit screw. That's usually when there's the H and the L right there. High refers to the outboard limit on this thing. So outboard is this way, and so basically you're adjusting how much or how far the rear derailleur can go outboard. And then the lower screw right here is the inner or inboard limit adjustment for this guy, and so that's how you keep this thing from moving too far inboard, and that drops the chain off between the spokes and the cog right there. So now we're gonna get started, and stay tuned. Alright, so we just got this new guy installed. It is actually a medium cage and this was a long cage, so I had to take out a link on this chain. And I also realized that because the design on this is different, I had to recut a new cable housing for that, but now everything is successfully indexed. I got the outboard and inboard limit screws adjusted. Barrel adjuster didn't need any adjustment, and so that was pretty cool. But usually I would be trying to check that. And yeah, so now I've got this new rear derailleur on here and it's shifting well, and we'll see how it goes.